Folks, 3 days in a row, we reached the 90-degree mark. Today's high temperature was 92, but we started out a little bit hazy, and there was actually some fog in some of the valleys. This is a shot from our purchase knob camera from early this morning, and kind of looks like a lake there, doesn't it? Let me put this in motion for you. You see that fog just kind of dissipates, and we had some pretty cloudy conditions through the afternoon, but that didn't stop us from getting into the 90s in a number of locations. So for tonight, we're going to be looking at 81 degrees at 8 o'clock and some spotty storms just kind of lingering around. 10 o'clock, we're looking at some partial clearing and 78, and then just a mixture of clear skies and cloudiness at your midnight hour with 76 degrees. So at about 3:45 this afternoon, we had a pretty good storm moving through the Oak Ridge area, and we caught it right here on our radar. Stopped it for you as well, and you could see here's a time frame, 6:46 right now, but 3:46 was when this moved on through, and we showed you the pictures earlier of the angry skies in the region, and it moved just through to the north of Knoxville as well. So that's pretty much about it. Things are settling down in the atmosphere. The sun's getting much lower in the sky, so there's going to be a few storms lingering around overnight, and then there's showers and storms developing tomorrow, pretty much widespread through the area, and possibly some of these storms could reach severe levels as we get in some gusty winds and some heavy rain and maybe hail about the size of a quarter, so we'll keep an eye out for that. And then cooler air arrives on your Tuesday. Right now, 84 degrees with the mercury steady in the barometer at this hour, 61% relative humidity. We have temperatures quite varied throughout the area. We have 90 degrees right now in Cookeville, but it is 84 in Knoxville, 88 in Morristown, it's 83 in Oak Ridge. Regionally, we're looking at temperatures in the 90s in Paducah, Kentucky. Look at that. It's 93 degrees, 94 in Nashville, 92 in Memphis. But we had that rain-cooled air here and dropped us down to 84 degrees. And we'll probably stay right around the mid-80s until about sunset, which is around 9 o'clock, because we are going to be seeing some cloud cover, just kind of maintaining the status quo of temperatures right now. There's a lot of cool air poised and ready to come in as we get into the central portion of the work week. But for now, we're just dealing with some spotty showers as they move on through the area and kind of exit the region for the night tonight. So what can we expect for the future? Well, let's go to 1 o'clock in the morning, and here is the 1 a.m. time frame of our Futurecast. Relatively clear as we move through the overnight hours, but look at that moisture coming in tomorrow morning up in southeastern Kentucky, right there on the I-75 corridor by Corbin. That'll be a little bit wet in the morning. And then as we move in through to the afternoon, right about noon, we'll see some widespread showers throughout the area. And then a little bit more rain is forecast for the afternoon, 3 o'clock. So again, this is when we're going to get some heavy rain, pockets of heavy rain moving through the area with some gusty winds and maybe some hail. And we'll continue that all the way through into Tuesday. So how much are we expecting? Well, here is a look at the future rainfall totals over the next 2 days, and everybody seems to be getting over an inch or so. Look at that. Blount County could be getting anywhere from maybe 1 to 2, and even some pockets where it'll be 3 inches, so there could be some spotty localized flooding. Overnight tonight, we're looking at a 70-degree overnight low, and then as we do move forward for the planning forecast, we got 87 degrees for the high on Monday, then 84 on Tuesday, and that's an 81 on Wednesday. That's a pretty cool and mild day, and then the showers return as we head into next weekend.
All righty, thanks so much, John.